Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Maps in a browser or the app. This puts you where the imagery lives. Once done, make sure you're signed in if you want pins and history available. Signing is optional but useful. Next, tap or click the Layers button in the corner, then select Satellite. That flips the view from default map tiles to photographic imagery. If you're on mobile, pinch to zoom. On desktop, use the mouse wheel or +/ controls to begin framing the area you need. You now refine the image. Zoom into the target area until details appear, and use arrow keys for precise nudges. Once zoomed, toggle labels on or off depending on whether you need road names versus a clean photo. Hiding labels helps when you want pure satellite imagery. If available, switch to the 45-degree or tilt view to see buildings from an angle, and enable terrain when elevation context matters. Keep adjusting until the composition shows the landmarks or parcel you need. You finish by capturing or saving the satellite view. Use a screenshot for quick use, or print then save as PDF for higher fidelity on desktop. Make sure to save pins to your places or add overlays in My Maps if you need repeat access. If the imagery looks outdated, blurry, or missing, refresh the page, try adjacent zoom levels, or switch between app and browser. When problems persist, use the Report a Problem feature to notify Google. That tip usually resolves map data issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.